Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. So today we're going to do a retwist and a skin fade. Let's go. So as you see, well, you don't know, but I shampooed and conditioned the hair already. And then I went ahead and started my process. I know I'm moving pretty fast. I'm just trying to save the storage and space, but y'all check me out. I'm just doing row by row just so I can maintain it faster and go ahead and get it out the way. So as I retwist and apply the lock gel and stuff, I make sure I clamp at least 2 to 3 locks at a time so I can keep everything organized. As you see, I'm just going up row by row. I'm managing her hair. I'm using my comb as well, and I'm palm rolling very efficiently. I told y'all, man, I do locks, retwist style, facials, microdermabrasion, everything. Y'all tap in. As y'all see, I'm just flowing as I go. You can see how I did the 4 locks right there. I just clamped them in pairs to make sure that everything is nice and neat and that they're laying down the exact way how I want them to. I know you can't see, but I'm also like reparting her hair. And I'm using my shears just like for the parts that have already matted down, because it's been a while since she had got a retwist. As you see, everything's looking really nice and crispy. Y'all stay tuned for the haircut afterwards. So yeah, this took like about 2 hours, 2 hours and a half maybe, something like that for the retwist and the haircut. Y'all tap in. I'm staying very consistent, as you can see. Just taking my time doing what I need to. See how my parts are flowing, really smooth and neat. Let's go. Very easy process, very quick. As y'all can see, it didn't take that long at all. She only has the top, and then I'm gonna tie her hair up and go ahead and do the skin fade all the way around. I always love it when I get to that part right there in the front, knowing I'm almost done. And I always do start from the back, like the nape area, retwisting all the way forward. Just like that, as y'all can see, very neat, very smooth. Let's get into this haircut, man. So I went ahead and draped her with my neck strip as well. I'm just combing everything out. I'm using the one fully closed with my Babyliss, going with the grain just to go ahead and set the canvas clear. Take my time with everything, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my first guideline. Lever fully closed, staying consistent. Then I'm gonna balance it out. Not too really worried about the like guideline, because I know I'm gonna fade it, how I'm gonna go into it. Very quick. So basically, I use lever fully closed, open halfway, one guard fully closed, open halfway, then my half guard, and that was it. As y'all can see, now I'm about to line up. Very smooth. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, at bj.cuts with 2 Z's. Let's go, man. Check out the ending result too. Real smooth. That's natural too, but she want to do enhancement, so let's get to it. Y'all see I'm not going too heavy on it. Real clean. Now I'm just applying my fibers to keep it looking more natural. Then I'm gonna line her up again. Just like that. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe, show love. Follow me on Instagram. Yes, sir. Just like that.